All right, everybody, we're going to go ahead and get started. My name is Josh Burrell. I'm with SoftClouds, obviously, and we'll be talking about redefining the cloud with AI and some use cases as well for it. First, we'll start off with a quick overview of cloud. So currently today, in today's digital landscape, cloud computing has become a fundamental part of business operations. A staggering 90% of organizations have adopted cloud technology to streamline their processes, enhance scalability, and reduce infrastructure costs. The widespread adoption reflects the compelling advantages that cloud computing offers, including flexibility, accessibility, and the ability to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving tech-driven world. About 60% of chief information officers as well as chief security officers have recognized that cloud computing can significantly improve security measures. Cloud providers invest heavily in state-of-the-art security infrastructure, ensuring data protection, threat detection, and compliance. This recognition highlights the evolving perception of the cloud from a security risk to a security enabler. Lastly, cloud spending is projected to reach about $600 billion in this year. It's going to be probably underscored by the pivotal role that the cloud plays in modern business strategies. Companies are allocating substantial budgets to harness the power of cloud services, from infrastructure as a service to software as a service, to drive innovation, streamline operations, and maintain a competitive edge in a rapidly evolving business landscape. Before I go to the next slide, I'm going to put up a quick poll. So if you guys can answer that, we'll give it a minute. I have a feeling that at least one of those answers is probably going to be in the top one. It starts with an A. So let's see here. So about, obviously, I think it was kind of split evenly between AWS and Azure as well, and with a little bit of the other ones involved as well too. All right, so adoption of the cloud. So basically, this comes down to three types of countries when it comes to adoption: tracking, lagging, and resisting. So here in the United States, as pretty much as well as North America, these are the nations that are at the forefront of cloud adoption and investment. They consistently allocate significant resources to cloud infrastructure and services. Tracking countries leverage cloud technology to boost their digital economies, drive innovation, and enhance competitiveness. The nations understand that cloud computing is not merely a trend, but a fundamental driver of economic growth. Lagging countries, while recognizing the importance of cloud technology, have been slower to adopt it on a large scale. They may face challenges related to infrastructure, regulation, or budget constraints. However, they are gradually increasing their cloud spending to catch up with the leading nations. Lagging countries often look to the successes and best practices of tracking countries to inform their own cloud strategies. Examples of lagging countries might include some countries in Southeast Asia and parts of Europe. Lastly, resisting countries. Resisting countries are those where cloud adoption rates remain relatively low and there is significant skepticism or resistance to cloud technology. This resistance may stem from concerns about data security, regulatory hurdles, or lack of awareness about the benefits of cloud computing. Countries risk falling behind in the global digital economy as they miss out on the efficiencies and innovation that cloud technology can offer. Lastly, overall cloud spending and adoption rates around the world are influenced by a complex interplay of economic, regulatory, and technological factors. While some countries are leading the way, others are making strides to catch up, and a few may need to overcome resistance and barriers to fully embrace the potential of cloud computing. So now we'll talk about the evolution of the cloud. So pretty much comes down to two types right now on this slide: public and private. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way we access servers, software, and databases by making them accessible over the internet. It relieves users and companies of the burden of physical server management, offering scalability and cost efficiency. Additionally, the cloud's ability to handle enormous amounts of data is reshaping the data landscape, opening up new possibilities for businesses and researchers worldwide. All right, now there's something that's becoming a little bit more common, which is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud computing is a strategic approach that combines the strengths of both public and private clouds, offering flexibility, control, and the ability to leverage the advantages of each. It has become a popular choice for organizations, especially enterprise, seeking a balanced and adaptable cloud solution, and several major cloud providers offer hybrid cloud services to support this approach. All right, multi-cloud. Multi-cloud strategy is a deliberate approach that leverages multiple cloud providers to achieve diverse business objectives. It offers flexibility, redundancy, and the ability to align specific technology solutions with the needs of various teams or departments. This strategy has become increasingly popular as organizations seek to optimize their cloud usage and maximize the benefits of cloud computing. And no surprise, kind of based on the earlier poll that you saw today, the big three in the global market, often referred to as the cloud giants or hyperscale cloud providers, are AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform or GCP. These three companies dominate the cloud computing landscape and are known for their extensive infrastructure, comprehensive service offerings, and global reach. As far as kind of an example of maybe each one of them, AWS is obviously known for its market dominance, as you can see on the left. It's widely regarded as the cloud pioneer of cloud computing and remains the market leader. It holds the largest market share in the global market. Azure is known for strong growth, and which is the cloud arm of Microsoft, obviously, and has experienced rapid growth as well, established itself as one of the leading cloud providers. And lastly, GCP, which is strong in data and AI. Google Cloud is known for its expertise in data analytics and machine learning and also AI, making it a preferred choice for data-intensive and AI-driven applications. The three cloud giants dominate the global cloud market due to their extensive infrastructure, diverse service offerings, and strong customer bases. They continue to invest heavily in innovation, expanding their service portfolios and extending their global reach to maintain their dominance in the rapidly evolving cloud computing industry. As a result, organizations around the world rely on these three to power their digital transformation efforts and leverage cloud technology for business growth. And again, kind of the growth of the multi-cloud and where it's at right now with those statistics on the left. It's mostly driven by the desire for flexibility, resilience, cost savings, and the ability to leverage specialized cloud services. It has become a strategic approach for organizations seeking to optimize their cloud usage and align their IT infrastructure with diverse business needs and objectives. So where we're at right now and where we're kind of going for the future, you can kind of see some of the about 8 things there. Multi-cloud refers to the strategic use of multiple cloud computing providers and platforms to meet various business needs and objectives. Organizations adopt multi-cloud to leverage the strengths of different cloud providers, gain flexibility, mitigate risks, optimize costs, and access specialized services. It's characterized by the distribution of workloads across multiple cloud environments, as mentioned before, both public and private. All right, so now when we're thinking about services on the cloud, the three main types are these three on the bottom. So infrastructure as a service, or IaaS. An example of that would be AWS, and specifically Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2. That's where, for instance, a company can use EC2 to provision virtual servers in the cloud. They have full control over the operating system, software installation, and configuration. It's suitable for hosting web applications, databases, or development environments without the need to invest in physical hardware. Next would be software as a service, or SaaS. An example and application of this would be Microsoft Office 365. And lastly, platform as a service would be a good example of this would be the Google App Engine. The Google App Engine can provide a platform for developing and deploying web applications. So developers can write code in languages like Python or Java, and the platform manages servers, provisioning, scaling, and infrastructure. It's ideal for building and hosting web applications and APIs. In summary, IaaS provides infrastructure components, SaaS offers complete software solutions, and PaaS provides a platform for developing and deploying applications. These cloud service models cater to different needs, allowing businesses to choose the level of control and responsibility that aligns with their goals and expertise. All right, so you can kind of see there are obviously multiple advantages to migrating to the cloud. The first one, I'll talk about kind of a couple of these here that kind of stick out. Probably one of the main ones is reducing IT costs, making it much more cost efficient. Some cloud providers offer pay-as-you-go pricing models, reducing the need for upfront capital investments in hardware and data centers. Next one could be increasing business agility because of rapid deployment. Cloud enables quick provisioning of resources and applications, reducing time to market for new projects. That might be good for something like a startup company. The third would be improving security and the expertise that you gain from it. Cloud providers invest heavily in security measures and offers experienced security teams as well, something that not might be available on a smaller business like an SMB. And another good point is eliminating end-of-life concerns. So, like hardware refresh, like for instance on servers, the cloud eliminates the need for managing hardware life cycles and the associated costs. All right. Before I talk about the growth of AI, we're going to put up another quick poll. If you'd be so kind to answer that, we'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you. All right. Thanks for doing that, guys. Let's see here. We'll go ahead and share those results here that you can see. All right. We'll talk about the growth of AI. So this is kind of a branched out slide here, as you can kind of see. And the two main things that we'll talk about today are machine learning as well as natural language processing, or NLP. So machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on developing algorithms and models that enable computers to learn from and make predictions of decisions based on data without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning systems can automatically improve their performance and adapt to new information through the analysis of historical data. Next is natural language processing, which is a branch of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and human language. NLP enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language text or speech. And currently, there are about 3 recognized stages of AI. So machine learning, machine intelligence, and machine consciousness, which represent a conceptual progression in the development and understanding of AI. These stages reflect different levels of sophistication and capabilities in AI systems. So right now, what's been going on is in stage 1, and still continuing today, is machine learning, which by definition is pretty much the foundation of AI. So it involves training algorithms to learn patterns from data, make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. One of the key characteristics is that they excel at specific tasks such as image recognitions. That would be basically unstructured data, natural language processing, and also recommendation systems. Stage 2, which we're kind of in right now, is machine intelligence, or artificial general intelligence, or AGI, which represents a higher level of AI, where machines possess human-like general intelligence and the ability to perform a wide range of tasks at human level or beyond. So for instance, these types of systems can adapt and learn across various domains, similar to human intelligence. And stage 3, which is coming up maybe sooner than later, the way everything is progressing these days, is machine consciousness, which is technically theoretical at this point. So this represents the most advanced and speculative stage of AI development. It involves creating AI systems that only possess intelligence, but also exhibit self-awareness, subjective experiences, and consciousness. Conscious AI would have a subjective sense of self, emotions, and self-awareness, somewhat similar to human consciousness. It's important to note again that we are currently in the early stages of AI development, primarily focused on machine learning. While AGI is a long-term goal, machine consciousness remains a highly speculative and philosophical concept as well. Most AI systems today include advanced ones like neural networks, lack consciousness, and self-awareness, and operate based on patterns and algorithms derived from data and training. All right, so current market size. The market size right now, what we're looking at and predicting, and by 2030, is the growth of which is driven by the increasing adoption of generative AI, or Gen AI, across industries, including healthcare, finance, entertainment, and more. Gen AI's ability to create content, assist in drug discovery, enhance customer experiences, which we'll talk about later, and automate tasks is contributing to its expanding market presence. Customer service professionals feel optimistic about AI at this point, especially because of AI-powered chatbots, virtual assistants, and automated responses, which enhance response times and provide 24/7 support. Data produced by 2025, Gen AI again has the ability to create vast amounts of content such as text, images, and videos, and is expected to lead to a significant share of the data generated globally. As well as the AI and analytics project data be generated by 2024, or next year already, synthetically generated data, produced by AI and analytics projects is becoming increasingly important for training machine learning models. In summary, the growth of Gen AI is substantial as it contributes to various industries and applications driven by its versatility and impact across sectors. Customer service professionals see AI as a valuable tool for enhancing customer experiences. Additionally, Gen AI is poised to account for a significant portion of data production and will play a crucial role in synthesizing data for AI and analytics projects in the near future. So again, kind of where we're at, and here's some examples of cloud and AI. Cloud and NLP services leverage AI algorithms in the cloud to analyze text data, enabling applications like chatbots, which are pretty commonplace these days. The more websites you go on and the more services that you subscribe to. Recommendation engines as well as language translation. Cloud-based computer vision services analyze images and videos, offering object recognition capabilities through cloud-based APIs and AI-powered visual recognition in cloud environments. These types of technologies have wide-ranging applications across industries and are driving innovation in areas such as automation, content personalization, and visual analysis. And lastly, how does migrating to the cloud and how does it help? Well, there's a few things here that you can kind of see. Some of the ones to mention is data analysis and how it streamlines migration planning. This is used to plan and strategize the migration of data to the cloud efficiently. Automation speeds up data transfer. Automation technologies are employed to accelerate the transfer of data from on-prem systems to the cloud. AI optimizes resource allocation. So AI is utilized to optimize the allocation of cloud resources as they may vary. And then another one to mention would be predictive analytics, which can reduce downtime. So these tools are used to anticipate potential issues and reduce downtime during migration. In summary, data analysis, automation, AI, and predictive analytics play crucial roles in streamlining cloud migration processes. These technologies optimize resource allocation, reduce downtime, ensure data integrity, and enhance monitoring, leading to smoother and more efficient cloud transitions. Additionally, ongoing innovations in AI services contribute to continuous improvements in cloud migration practices. All right, before we talk about the future of CX with cloud and AI, with Pratik, we are going to put up one more poll. If you guys can answer those questions, we'd appreciate it. Thanks. Okay. All right. Yeah, so it looks like the majority of you guys kind of thought about kind of split evenly between if you've deployed automation testing for your solutions or not. So interesting to see that. I think it's kind of where everything is at right now. All right, so as I stated earlier, I'm going to pass it over to Pratik, and he's going to talk about the future of customer experience with cloud and AI. Pratik?
Thanks, Josh. I'm going to talk about CX trends, how organizations are being benefited from migrating their CX solutions to cloud, how companies are using AI to improve customer experience as well as efficiency in their business processes. Next slide, please. Before I speak about CX cloud benefits, I would like to talk a little about what is customer experience. The customer experience is the sum of all the experiences a person or company has when interacting with a business, its products, or services. CX covers all touch points, including pre-purchase, consumption, and post-purchase interactions, making it relevant to all points of buying journey from initial marketing to customer service. One of the good examples of customer experience is Walgreens AI-powered doors. Walgreens replaced traditional coolers doors at some of the stores with AI-powered doors that sense what item has been purchased and provide real-time inventory updates to staff. The doors can also change their display and ads based on the time of the day, weather, or customer's age or gender. This improves the experience by ensuring customer can find what they want when they want it. Now let's talk about cloud benefits for CX. There are 10 major reasons I've seen for customers to run CX on cloud platforms. I'm going to talk in detail about few of them. Scalability or elasticity is the ability of a cloud dynamically adjust resources to meet the CX demand. This means as your business grows, your cloud environment can quickly adapt to provide additional resources such as processing power, storage, or bandwidth without the need for costly hardware upgrades or infrastructure changes. Accessibility. Improved cloud accessibility allow customer and employees to access the system from any device around the world as long as they have internet access. Cost efficiency. Although an initial financial investment is required to implement a cloud strategy for CX, organizations save substantial amounts in long run because they don't have to maintain expensive hardware at local data center. Also, since there is no upfront cost to use cloud-based system, business can test them out before investing in them. Software updates. Cloud-based CX applications automatically refresh and updates themselves instead of forcing an IT department to perform a manual organization-wide update. This saves valuable IT staff time and money. Security. Cloud provider ensures that they maintain a strict security practice for their customers. From using sophisticated digital safeguard to high-tech physical ones, cloud provider make cybersecurity a top priority. Disaster recovery. Cloud providers back up the data in their data center, removing the need for IT teams to maintain backup off-site or on-site. This lowers the risk of data loss. Next slide, please. Let's talk about CX and AI. AI for customer experience is a way to use AI technologies like machine learning, chatbots, conversational user experience, and advanced analytics to analyze customer data to personalize customer interactions, boost customer service efficiency, and increase self-service options. AI can also optimize business processes to improve key performance indicators like customer loyalty and engagement. I found 7 major uses of AI in CX. Let's discuss some of them. Personalized experience. Personalization is the use of real-time data, AI, machine learning, and predictive analytics to get better information from the customer and create exceptional individual customer experience. Example, fitness tracker. Fitness tracker uses AI to analyze data on physical activities, heart rate, sleep pattern, and other metrics to provide customized feedback and recommendations to the user. Predictive analytics. AI predictive analytics has revolutionized how business understand consumer behavior. By analyzing vast amount of data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and trend, enabling companies to participate customer need and preferences. Example, various e-commerce platforms use predictive analytics to identify buying habits based on previous purchase history, searches, and social media profiles. Based on this data, companies use personalized product recommendation. Data-driven insights. AI-powered CX are capable of analyzing vast amount of data in real time, enabling business to identify pattern and anomalies that human might miss. This can quickly diagnose problem and provide recommendation for resolution. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error. Next slide. I'm going to talk about some of the AI use cases for CX application. Next, please. Customer support is one of the primary use case for generative AI chatbots in all call centers. Like traditional chatbots, AI chatbots are capable of handling routine customer inquiries such as providing product information, assisting with order tracking, or offering troubleshooting guidance. By leveraging the power of generative AI, these chatbots can generate instant response to customer queries, eliminating the need of customer to wait in lengthy phone queues or navigate complex IVR system. AI chatbots excel at understanding natural language and can interpret customer requests accurately. They can analyze the input from customer, identify intent behind the queries, and generate appropriate responses based on the available information. This ability enables them to provide quick and accurate support to customer. AI chatbots can also assist with troubleshooting. They can guide customers through step-by-step instructions or provide interactive uh, troubleshooting tutorials to help them resolve common issues on their own. This self-service capability not only empowers customers but also reduces the need for human agent intervention, leading to increased efficiency and cost saving for the call centers. Next, please.
Yeah, Pratik, I think we got time for one more poll, so if we can put that up on the screen, that'd be great. Thanks. Okay, thanks, guys. Go ahead, Pratik.
So another use case would be ticket mining. Business can analyze or mine customer support ticket for various benefits. First and foremost, it helps identify common issues and trends, enabling companies to proactively address customer pain points and improve their product or services. By understanding the root cause of customer complaints, business can develop target solutions that lead to higher customer satisfaction and ultimately greater customer retention. Generative AI helps to streamline the process of analyzing customer support tickets by using natural language processing algorithms. Tickets can be quickly and accurately categorized, tagged, analyzed, and uncover valuable insights and trends that would be difficult or impossible to discern through manual analysis. This analysis can further use in building knowledge base in multiple languages using NLP and graph-based algorithms. This leads to better decision making, improved responsiveness, customer self-service, and at the end of the day, higher level of satisfaction all around. Next, please. Computer vision in manufacturing. So computer vision in manufacturing involves AI-powered systems that can capture, analyze, and understand visual input from physical worlds such as factories and industrial sites to help humans to take proper actions and assist them in various production processes. Combined with ML-powered anomaly detection, computer vision enables automated visual inspection to identify defective products with any type of anomaly, example, scratches or dents. Computer vision can be used to sort and count items such as part or components. Automatic sorting helps to improve accuracy, particularly in high-volume production environments. It helps manufacturers automatically measure the dimension of products and or components, ensuring they meet a specific size or shape requirements. Along with RFID, computer vision can track the movement of products across the supply chain to ensure better visibility, optimize route, and execute inventory management, identify shortages or excesses. Some of the other use cases would be in sales, predictive analytics uses AI and machine learning to collect data on prospects and customers to identify their behavior throughout the sales process. This predictive analytics then applies those insights to sales forecast and pipeline performance. Sentiment analysis analyze direct communication, that is conversation and interaction between sales rep and client via email, phone, WhatsApp, chatbots, and other channels. Result of this analysis can be used to shape sales and marketing plan, evaluate social media post, improve crisis management and grant strength, and translate digital PR into tangible actions. In fact, understanding your client emotion and expectation can be the key to keeping customer. Machine learning can help to analyze details of past deals to give pricing recommendation for the individual customer. In finance, AI can be used to analyze large data sets and identify fraudulent activities, such as credit card fraud or money laundering in real time. AI can find patterns in customer behavior by analyzing past purchasing habits. This is particularly useful to encourage repeated purchases, as AI models can provide personalized product recommendation based on those insights in real time. So yeah, these are some of the CX use cases. Over to you, Josh.
Thanks, Pratik. All right, guys. So as far as most people like to think of managed services and kind of what they have been doing in the past, but they have evolved over the course of time. Some of the main things that you can kind of see here on the left-hand side, what they are designed to do is obviously handle daily operations of specialized applications as well as solutions. So managed IT services are tailored to efficiently manage the daily operations of specialized applications. Another thing that they can do as well too is they can provide more capability to your company end users. So they can enhance the capabilities available to end users within the company. And one of the main things I think that a lot of people like to use managed services for is to allow in-house IT to focus on more strategic IT programs. So by outsourcing routine IT tasks to managed services, in-house IT teams can concentrate on more strategic and high-impact IT initiatives. Managed IT services are designed to handle specialized applications, enhance user capabilities, and allow in-house IT teams to focus on strategic initiatives. They offer benefits such as reduced overhead, increased IT efficiency, and improved uptime management, ultimately contributing to the overall effectiveness of a business's IT operations. Here's some of the key benefits that managed services can provide. Some of the main things that stick out again is cost efficiency. So managed services often can provide cost savings compared to maintaining an in-house IT department. They offer predictable monthly or annual fees, reducing unexpected IT expenses as well too. MSPs have a team of skilled professionals with expertise in various IT domains. They stay updated as well with the latest technology trends and best practices. And again, by outsourcing routine IT tasks and maintenance to managed service providers, businesses can free up their internal teams to concentrate on core business activities and strategic initiatives. And the last thing I would say is when it comes to scalability and flexibility. So managed services can scale up or down quickly to accommodate changing business needs. This comes in particularly valuable for businesses with fluctuating IT requirements. So here's some statistics about managed services. Cost reduction with managed services, again, kind of alluding to the prior slide, is a benefit significant incentive for businesses to adopt managed services. Prevalence of IT services being managed, that one right there highlights a widespread adoption of managed services across various IT domains. In summary, managed services are recognized for their cost reduction potential. The prevalence of IT services being managed underscores their popularity. Additionally, the managed services market is experiencing significant growth, as you can see, and is expected to keep growing, reflecting the expanding adoption of these services across industries. This slide has several reasons or services that are available here. So managed services, again, especially when we're talking about in AI or with AI, involve outsourcing AI-related tasks, including model development, training, deployment, and maintenance to AI specialists. So some of the benefits, again, are access to expertise. Maybe you don't have that in-house. Cost efficiency. Managed AI services can be more cost-effective than maintaining AI infrastructure and personnel. Again, scalability, continuous improvement as well too, since AI models are continuously monitored and updated to improve accuracy and performance. Some use cases for managed AI services are applied in natural language processing, or NLP as mentioned before, computer vision, predictive analytics, recommendation engines, and various AI-driven applications across industries. Basically, managed services in the cloud domain involve outsourcing the management of cloud infrastructure, offering cost savings, expertise, and scalability. Managed AI services, on the other hand, provide access to AI expertise and cost-efficient AI capabilities for tasks such as model deployment, training, deployment. Both types of managed services empower businesses to leverage advanced technologies without the overhead of in-house management and expertise. All right, so we're wrapping up here as far as about a little something about us. We were founded in 2005. We're an innovative technology and customer experience solutions provider headquartered here in San Diego. We also have locations in India and Japan. As a Salesforce and Oracle partner, we deliver cloud, mobile, and digital solutions that can improve corporate profitability and provide in-depth business performance. With deep industry-specific expertise, our consultants offer Salesforce and Oracle implementations as well as custom application, ERP, SaaS development to help our clients achieve these goals. The look here is that an example of some of our managed services as well as our expertise in AI. And as you can see, we are cloud agnostic as well too. So which one you prefer, we can work with that cloud as well too. All right, so with the time remaining, we will open it up to a few questions. Renee, I believe we might have a couple here that we have time to answer before we let everybody go for today.
Hey, hi, everybody. It's Renee. Let's see here. We have a couple of questions. The first one being, let's see, we're in the health insurance business and already on the cloud. Can you provide some examples on how AI can help our business, such as answer my customers' questions, and how can I get the most out of cloud and AI features?
Yeah, sure. So that was actually somewhat covered throughout the webinar with some specific examples, especially chatbots is the most common one. But again, kind of AI can analyze large amounts of data from images, right? What I brought up was unstructured data. And also clinical research trial data, which is structured data, to medical claims, for instance, and can identify patterns. They can generate insights that might elude discovery via manual human skill sets. And they can also do an early identification of patterns related to fraud, abuse, claims, which could result obviously in a lot of savings for your company. And lastly, I would say AI can streamline operational processes by applying robotic process automation to repetitive admin processes, right? Because of the claims and all the paperwork involved with that. And lastly, again, about chatbots. So those can be used to provide better member engagement, customer service management, and as well as direction to appropriate specialties and appointment scheduling. That's something that's a really big assistance, especially with healthcare patients and saving time.
Okay. Let's see. We have a second question. We have an IoT management platform. How can AI help us? What are some practical considerations for using AI safely?
Yeah, sure. So with AI and Internet of Things networks and devices, they can learn from past decisions. So they can predict future activity and continuously improve performance and decision-making capabilities. So AI basically allows these types of devices to quote unquote think for themselves. So they can interpret data, make real-time decisions without the delays and congestions that occur from data transfers. So it can basically, like for instance, predict equipment failures in advance and schedule maintenance before the equipment experiences severe issues. So basically that kind of being proactive as opposed to reactive will also help in multiple ways. I think we got time for one last quick question.
Okay, great. Let's see. We have our systems being tested manually thus far. How can automation testing or AI-based testing help us?
So basically, faster test execution. That's the one main thing. AI can reduce the time that tests require to be executed by removing duplicate tests and improve test data management flow by ensuring high-quality data reaches the test cases first. And also better test maintenance, kind of similar to software. Software codes change a lot, so when they do, tests can break. That's pretty much how it works, unfortunately. And if you aren't staying up on that, or for some reason lagging behind, then that data isn't as reliable. Also, machine learning, again, since that's been around for quite some time now, machine learning can create test data similar to production data, such as profile pictures, age, and even weight. So that test data can be used for training machine learning models for directly testing the software. All right, guys, I think that's about it. Thanks, Renee, for those questions. I know we kind of ran just about up to that time. So thanks again for attending. If your questions didn't get answered by any chance, please let me know. You can also email me directly at joshb, as in Bravo, at softclouds.com, and we'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks again for your time. I appreciate it. Have a good one.